describes little shark. Come find the alphabet with me. I found a secret alphabet treasure cave. But look, the letter gem spaces are empty. We need to find all 26 letters to open the magical reading reef. Can you help me find the letters? Great! Let's swim, sing, and find them all. A. A says A. A D-A is for apple. Your turn? Apple. B. B says B. B. B is for bubble. Your turn? Bubble. Can you say bubble? C says Kate. Kate, C is for crab. Your turn, crab. Click, clack. D says D. D is for dolphin. Your turn, dolphin. Jump like a dolphin. E says E. E is for egg. Your turn, egg. F says F. F is for fish. Your turn. Wiggle your fins. G says G. G is for grapes. Your turn. Grapes. H says H. H is for hippo. Your turn. Hippo. I is for igloo. E. Igloo. Can you say igloo? J is for jellyfish. Jew, jellyfish. Can you say jellyfish? K is for kite. Kite. Can you say kite? The kite flies high. L is for lion. L, lion. This is a sea lion. Can you say lion? M is for moon. Moon. Can you say moon? The moon shines bright. We found 13 letters. We're halfway there. You're doing amazing. Let's take a deep breath, breathe in, and breathe out. Great job. Let's keep going. N is for net. N, net. This net catches toys. Can you say net? O is for octopus. Octopus. Can you say octopus? P is for pufferfish. Poo, pufferfish. Can you say pufferfish? Q is for queen. Queen. Can you say queen? Hello, queen. R is for rainbow. Rainbow. Can you say rainbow? S is for starfish. Can you say starfish? A star in the sand. T is for turtle. Turtle. Can you say turtle? U is for umbrella. Can you say umbrella? The umbrella keeps us dry. V is for violin. V, violin. Can you say V? Then, what a sweet song. W is for whale. Whale. Can you say whale? X is for X-ray. X-ray shows fishy bones. Can you say X-ray? X-ray. Y is for yo. Yo. Can you say yo-yo? Yo-yo. Up and down. Z. Zez. Zebrafish. Can you say zebrafish? We did it! We found all 26 letters. Every letter gem is back! Hooray! Ready? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. A to M. We found them! Ready? In O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, W, X, Y, Z. Into Z we found them. Great job! A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. U, V, W, X, Y, Z, all 26. It opened! Welcome to the Reading a Reef. We found every letter together. Hooray! The Reading a Reef is bright again. You learned all the letters with me. Can you say your favorite letter? Wonderful! You are an alphabet star. Great learning, alphabet stars. Bye-bye, friends. Let's explore again soon.